Papoose Records in the team. And DJ Gay, as he said, you already know.
T-Classic.
Charlie, call it Brabby name, man. Yeah, nah. Rock it for it, Brabby. Shake it for it, Brabby. Shake it. Rock it for it, Brabby. Shake it for it, Brabby. Shake it. Rock it for it, Brabby. Shake it for it, Brabby. Shake it. Rock it for it, Brabby. Shake it for it, Brabby. Shake it. Oh man, ne papi nan shake it. La boki ne pale scary. Shout out to la co. And my body classic with DJ and what's up for it. We are getting hard hit. First of all, I get you with that leg. Shake it, break it, kick it. 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 Rap for the Brabby. Shake for the Brabby. Shake it. Rap for the Brabby. Rock it. Shake for the Brabby. Shake it. Rap for the Brabby. Rock it. Shake for the Brabby. Shake it. Rap for the Brabby. Shake for the Brabby. Rap for the Brabby. Shake for the Brabby. Oh yeah. Today la l'été, papa go I say thank you. Some people be acting cracky, some people be acting holy. Healing going to the pass. They will not people play. Shout out to Club Alira and not forgetting the pizza. Shout out to Pepe Fish. Shout out to Quebec Sport. Shout out to La Pointe Bar. Shout out to Quebec Wake Up. Shout out to Ofos. Shout out to Agali. Shout out to Thursday PPRE. Today I say we drinking drinks. Shout out to Leslie. Shout out to Melite. Shout out to Fozo King. Shout out to Poppy Shiki. Shout out to Party. Man, always we are on setting. We not even set checking. Shout out to Spinning Papa. Shout out to Sarah Steve. Shout out to Moti Pueba. Shout out to Chipla. Shout out to Workla. Shout out to Skill Patton. Haha. Shout out to Chucky. Shout out to Nadunambo. Shout out to OG Famous. And shout out to Yabu. Moto Itej. Oh, TJ Lakwa. See you.